Hi, Mr. Daniel. Agile project management is really established in the IT segment. And now, after having spent now at least almost a couple of years in doing in-depth research into EPC projects within Rent Solutions, I see a lot of areas in EPC projects like the engineering phase, which is kind of analogous or similar to IT projects. And towards the fag end of the project, we have task list which needs to be completed, snagging, and whatever there is retention related tasks to be completed within stringent time frames so that the cash flows can be improved. So I see a great opportunity for the application of Agile within the traditional project management or the classical project management that is applied. So we are not talking about Agile versus classical. We are talking about application of Agile best practices within the classical project management. And now EPC projects have started using it. Now, what is your view on that? Because here, while doing the product development itself, we have used it. And you have extensive experience within EPC projects also. Now, what is your view on this?
See, if you directly apply Agile for the full project, it will become a major change in the way we do things. Okay. So, as you spotted out, wherever we land up in a situation where we are supposed to complete a certain activity or by a particular date, such as you have a activity which is on the critical path which needs to be completed 5 days from now, and then you realize that there are multiple stakeholders involved in execution of this, which means it is a multidisciplinary, multi-organization level thing. And when you analyze and you find that, okay, if looking at a burn down chart to see, okay, if we need to complete this work, how many days will it actually take, and get everybody to work together on that, there we can apply Agile. So we got to go on an execution where when you want to push it through to the last moment to get the thing done, Agile will be an excellent way of doing it. Okay. So implementing that is a decision which a project manager has to take. So if you find that, okay, there are milestones which could be payment related or certain critical activities which need to be done, on finding that this is at a situation where we could use Agile, what could be done is you could identify what are the activities to be done, who are the stakeholders associated with, and create a sprint to focus on that, and then identify a meeting on a period at a fixed time every day, which is a stand-up meeting, which will review and support the team which is working towards completing it. And especially in this work from home environment or COVID situation where people are not seeing each other than through video conferences and others, this will be extremely effective because it's a mission of the team. It's not the mission of an individual and then passing the work to the next person. It's a mission of the team to complete this work. So each person can take up his work. They can report the status of the work next day, and there, if you're already having the real-time information, you already know what is the status. So people can raise their concerns and the others can support in terms of helping them to close those issues, and also making sure that when others are doing the job and when you have not done, that also creates a peer pressure which in individuals. So with that goal, everybody can work together using the sprint to achieve it. Okay. Now, how that can be brought automated with technology is that once we identify the sprint, you identify the team, you identify a meeting, and say you're using Team or Google, you can set up a meeting invite to all of them at that periodic time for a short meeting to review it, and whatever communication has taken place is also captured. So we could automate that process and effectively implement Agile in project management for such critical activities only. That is my recommendation, and I think that will definitely work in an EPC industry.
See, while most of the industry is talking about Agile versus classical project management, I think we are the first team or visionaries who talks about agile within traditional project management, which brings in a lot of synergy, because in the classical agile, the prioritization is done based on judgment of the team. Now, by coexisting agile within the traditional framework, do we have some extra synergy? Based on the integrated project monitoring and control approach, can we have a suggestion list on the prioritized tasks?
So that is something which will be that can be done, because we have the schedule and the cost. So when we are going to apply agile only on activities which are critical in the critical path, which is to be completed, and which are milestones which are critical for invoicing, for the cash flow. Now, such items, when we put it on the agile sprint model, there will be a list of tasks identified. So what we could do is, we could prioritize this task based on what are related to what are the ones which are related to invoicing, what are related to critical, what have the longest lead time, which means if you have a float, and then you can place this in your Eisenhower's,
urgent, important, and
you can put that in the priority there, so that all those which are critical, which has to be done, for certain, can go into urgent and important. Whatever has got a float can go into important but not urgent. Certain things which are not priority activities can be pushed into not urgent, not important. So with that segregation of those priorities, the person who is executing the work gets a better idea where to focus. And schedule is there, information is there, so they can complete it. And also, even in those sprint meetings, they can prioritize those tasks which are in the urgent important cases, and they can combine their energies to get the thing done, so that you will finally meet the milestones which you planned.
Okay, so which will have in turn an impact on better cash flows and
project execution, commitment. So I think it's a fantastic opportunity, and especially with today's technology of using collaborative platforms like Team or Google and Zoom and things like that, you could also set up meetings automatically, which triggers people, and also prioritize that for them. So everybody can collaboratively work, though they are at different places. And it can be across multiple organizations also. So this is, I think, a need of the hour, I would say, for EPC projects which are today getting stretched with lower margins, and also are pushed by customers to get it done as quickly as possible, and cash flow being a very important factor for that.
Thank you very much, Mr. Daniel, for your insights.
Thank you.
Thank you.